let's take a look and see what we have found in the Karmann now. Yes, hang on, let me get this down here, everyone. The poor little Karmann. But when it's all done and said, it'll have the OTG stamp of approval on it because we're going to get her all fixed up. So as you can all see, when we cut the outer, which I showed you in past videos, when we cut it out around the wheel well, the inner, which you call actually, that's called the outer wheel tub, is rotten. So now we're waiting on that. You know, so we're basically replacing almost everything here. But now we're getting involved into the headlights. So she brought us some headlight caps, but unfortunately, look at this work. Look at this. Look at this. This is, and now you can see it's over top of rust. So I had to get hold of her and had to tell her we need the inside pots too. I mean, oh my God. The Bondo had to be an inch thick around here. But then we get to some nice metal. Right there. Give her a good old slap. Which is good. That's a good thing. So obviously, as you can see, let me grab this. This is this side. Oops, get that shit off there. These are not as wide as how far back we got to go. See how far back we got to go? You can see their patches up in there. Way back there. We have to go all the way back. So we're going to put these on, then we're going to have to make that ourselves back there. But again, before we're going to get too involved with getting into that, we're going to get these pots off her. Because you should have all the panels before you start cutting and chopping and doing all that, which I've told you guys before. But look at this. This guy was a sculpture, whoever did this. Like 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece. Let's see. 4 piece, 5 piece. Wow. Oh, he went to town. How many pieces he got here? He's got 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece, 4 pieces here. 4 pieces. I don't understand why he wouldn't have grabbed a piece of metal, why he wouldn't have cut that out, grabbed the piece of metal, went like that, bent it around, you know, tacked it, cooled it with his air, and then, even though he's got a bit of a crown right here, these cars got a bit of a crown, he could have formed that out of a little filler. I don't understand what the whole, but anyway, backyard, you know. So you can see back in here, we've got this side though. Mike did get in here, he's got all this side done. Look at that. He's got all the outside piece done, he's gone behind, and look at now, we're getting to the point where there's no filler in this car. There's still a little bit here, probably covering up a dent, there's no rust in there, I know that. But see, then we lose the filler here. So this car is probably going to weigh 200 to 300 pounds lighter when it leaves here. I'm serious, probably is. So we've also asked her to order these. This is, we got in here, cut this off, then we see that this is all rotten, this is where your back bumper hooks to. Look at it, it's just gone. And there's a big hunk of Bondo right there. Someone's filled something underneath and the Bondo's come through. So that is what's going on with the Karmann. So there's an update. But I tell you, at the end of the day, it's going to be a nice little car. It's definitely going to have way less filler in it. It's going to have nowhere near as much filler as it had. I wish I could have weighed this car when it came in and weigh it when it leaves. It's going to be 200-300 pounds lighter, I know it. It's going to have no more rust. It's going to have proper panels put in it. And it's just going to be a nice little car for her. So she might want to change. She's going to paint it a nice silver, a Honda, a color, silver. But maybe you should paint this something flashy now. Go for a nice candy apple red or candy apple green. Yeah, let's do some wild, crazy color on her. Seeing how the thing's going to be beautiful. I don't know. Let's just you know, let's give her what she deserves. Silver's a good color. Silver's nice, it'll look nice. She wants silver, that's all fine and dandy. I'm just joking around here. But anyway, it is getting there, thank God, and that's where we're at. Okay guys, thanks for subscribing. Let me get this turned around. Remember, it's always good time at old time. We will see you next time, and that's it. Thank you so much.